just want to give you a really quick tip today on the new paper sizers for print then cut. Now this is really important because paper size is going to make a huge difference when you go to use your print then cut. So let's go over to design space here, and I have added an image, and as you can see it's pretty wide. It goes all the way to 14 inches. So it's telling me that my flattened image here is too large. If I take my cursor and just put it over top of the little exclamation mark and click, it tells me my image is too large. The image is too large for 8.5 by 11 paper. We've detected the max size of the shape is 9.94 by 2.74. So 9.94 is now our widest, a lot better than 9.25. So I can auto resize the image right here so it fits. I will just click this one first, and as you can see it makes it the right size for print then cut. But right now I'm just going to make it large again. I'm going to click here one more time. I am going to click on change page size. Now this is a nice different alternative. The type of mat you're going to be using, that is one way, but then your print then cut page size, really important here. From the drop down list you now have different items. So you have 8.5 by 14, 11 by 17, 11.7 by 16.5, which is an A3. That will give you a longer cut. So if we happen to use this longer one and I click done, you're going to see that there is still a question mark here, but then we have already changed our paper size. So let's click on make it here. And you see it's going to go on to the wider paper like I had asked, and it's going to look for a longer mat. But as you can see, print then cut now fits with the new paper size we've changed. But you also know your material size here. I can change it again to 11 by 17, and it's just going to make a slight change, so we have lots of room to add the extra. Now you're going to need a longer mat in order to do this, and the ability to print on 11 by 17. So as you can see, there's a lot you can do with it right now, and it is so simple to make those page changes. Now I just hope that we are going to be able to have a 12 by 12 setting so that we can print on 12 by 12 paper, especially if you have one of the Epson wide format printers. So I hope you get a lot out of this and are able to make some changes for your print then cut.